Hi everyone, it's me Caroline and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video guys, I just love to share with you my new favorite moisturizer from DW Timeless Staying Beautiful. It's Moisturizing Soothing Gel Ice Age Ice Plus Aloe. It contains 300 ml. I bought it from Lazada for just only 130 pesos. So, saan kayo guys? Murang-mura na siya. At ang ganda niyang gamitin sa skin. So, as you can see, ina-apply ko siya sa aking face gamit ang aking finger. Make sure na malinis ang inyong kamay kapag ina-apply niyo sa inyong skin. It's perfect for all skin types since I have oily skin. That's why I love this moisturizer from DW. If you want to achieve cooling effect guys, just refrigerated it for only 30 minutes. What I love about this product, it's really moisturized my skin, it's brightened my skin, and one of its benefit, nakakapag-hydrate talaga siya ng skin guys. As in, ang fresh ng skin mo once in-apply mo tong kanilang Ice Age Ice Plus Aloe Moisturizing Soothing Gel. It's really soothe my skin. That's why I want to share it with you guys para matry nyo na rin siya. Perfect to sa mga students na enough lang yung budget nila for skincare. So, mararecommend ko tong product na to guys. Marami na rin siyang laman. So, as you can see, ayan. I use it once a day before I go to bed. I apply this moisturizer from DW. But you can also apply it on your face twice a day. I really love this product and I will continue using this. It can really brighten, moisturize, and repair my skin. That's it for today's video and thanks for watching.